Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to show you these puppy treats that I made, and my doggies absolutely love them. So it's really only 1 cup of pumpkin puree, a third cup of peanut butter, 2 eggs, and 2 cups of some whole wheat flour, natural whole wheat flour. So I'm going to be using King Arthur's brand, and I'm going to use my grandmother's measuring cup because she always did things with love, and since she's not with me anymore, I figure I have to use it and have her in my kitchen as well. These are some cookie cutters that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to actually give these out as gifts to my neighbors. So I picked up these little boxes for only 49 cents. So this is so easy. Let me show you. These are so super simple. It's just like making people cookies. So you just add all your wet ingredients together. So that is just your pumpkin puree, your peanut butter, and your 2 eggs. And then we're going to start adding in our flour a little bit at a time until it starts to form together as dough. If you don't have an electric mixer, that's okay because you can just mush it all together. It's no big deal. Doggies don't care, I promise you. Then we're just going to simply place some flour on our working surface. I put mine on the counter and just want to get it kind of coated so that you can, when you roll it out, it looks all nice and even. And you want to get it to about 1/4 of an inch. So after pressing it out, I stuck the cookie cutters on there and just kind of pressed them out and stuck them on a lined cookie sheet. And look how cute those little cutters are. I think they're so adorable, and my doggies don't really care what they look like, but I do. So you put them in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. And so let's go ahead and stick them in. After 30 minutes, this is what they're gonna look like. So here we go. Time to unleash the monsters. So here's Miss Bella going in for a taste, and she's actually my picky eater, but I have to say she absolutely loves these. She's so funny, she always has to turn around and take it away, and then she has to, test it out for a second and make sure that, yeah, I kind of like these. Yep, I'm going in for more. This is Miss Chloe. She's my little old lady. She is not finicky whatsoever. She will eat the trash if you allow her to. So, but she absolutely loves these as well. And here comes my little shark. This is Georgie, my little Yorkie, Georgie the Yorkie. He's so cute. And he never sticks around. He always has to feel like he has to hide his food. So he's gonna go hide it right now. But as you can see, my kids are super happy. They absolutely love these. And we all appreciate you checking out this recipe with us. And please leave me a comment in the comment section below if you give them a try. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I would certainly appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.